फर्मागुडी फोंडेच्या GVM's उच्च माध्यमीक विद्यालयांतलो विद्यार्थी 12वीच्या परीक्षेत सुमुख पाडगांवकर हो विज्ञान शाखेत राज्यांत पयलो आयला. तांणी 95.67% गुण मेळयल्या. RDX स्कोआ खातीर फोंडेच्यान महेंद्र गांवकर.
सो कसो कितें क्लासीन कितें आसतलें?
फ्रेंड सर्कल्सा भितर सगळ्यांत तसो मस्ती भुरगो म्हणटा तो हांव उरतालो चडसो, पूण केन्नाच हांव असो सांपडनाशिल्लो.
ओके.
सदांच कितेंय करून हांव कसोय तरी सुट्टालो. सो एकॉर्डिंग टू म्हजे पेरंट्स किंवा टिचर्स हांकां खबर आसपाना, पूण म्हज्या फ्रेंड्सां भितर सगळ्यांत असो मस्ती म्हणटा तो हांव.
तरी आसतना शिकून बरे मार्क घेतले.
हय.
We at GVM are extremely proud of our students because they have done exceedingly well this year. They have been doing similarly all these years right from the time when higher secondary started. We have got spectacular results and we thank the teachers of our school and also congratulate the students who have done extremely well and also congratulate their parents. We are more than pleased this year because we have amongst us Sumukh Pargaonkar, who has done extremely well in the sense that he has stood first in all the 12th science stream all over Goa, and this is a spectacular result. We are extremely proud of this boy, Sumukh Pargaonkar. He has also done extremely well in other competitive exams, and we hope to see him in possibly at IIT or BITS or a course of his choosing. In science stream, we also get good result in the sense that we have a result. Only one student has failed in commerce, so also as in arts. As regards arts, we are very happy that one of our students, Viraj Lad, has stood second in the board with 95.5% marks. And we have amongst us Urvashi Mainkar. She is a commerce student of ours, and she has stood first in her school with 94.67% marks. Overall, I am extremely pleased as a management that we have got results, because whenever we work hard, our teachers work hard, and the kind of results that we get, the parents, the teachers, the management are very, very happy.